this company has best experience in mining. I'm director of Sumitec and currently I'm managing this company. Our segment of the market, construction equipment and mining, we are represented in 25 countries. Originally, in the beginning, we were established to provide support to Ferrexpo. After then, we expanded our activities to other mining sites in Ukraine. I think one of key drive now is request for green products. So it means that carbon reduction or carbon neutral or carbon free operation. Currently, we have big discussion with Ferrexpo, especially how we can support Ferrexpo for their project with reduction of carbon emission.